Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you can import a Python file into multiple files of a module while maintaining separate variables by using the import statement. This allows you to reuse code and functions across different files without sharing variables by encapsulating your code within functions or classes. In this tutorial, we will cover how to import a Python file into multiple files of a module, ensure that each file has its own separate variables, and provide code examples to illustrate the process. In module_a.py, define the code that you want to import into other files. Here is an example of module_a.py. Now, let's create other Python files within the same folder and import module_a.py while ensuring separate variables. In your main module, main.py, you can run the different files that import module_a.py. Now, you can execute the program by running the main.py file. Each of the imported files, file_1.py, file_2.py, and file_3.py, will have its own copy of the my_variable from module_a.py. Each imported file can use the functions and variables from module_a.py without interfering with each other, as they have their own namespace. By following these steps, you can import a Python file into multiple files of a module while ensuring that each file has separate variables. This modular approach allows you to organize and reuse your code effectively. ChatGPT